All right, I'm gonna make this a quick video. Plus, I'm gonna show you guys something important. So on this particular trade right here, let me get this out the way. This is a very simple, easy trade right here, which I posted up. But just want to do a quick video. So this morning, New York Open and so forth. And so you can see this is the 9:30 candle right here. Let me move this out the way. Let's see if you guys can see it. Probably not, but either way it goes. This was the 9:30 candle right here. That was 9:30 candle. So the market popped out. You can see the gray line popped in, showing, hey, enter right here. I'll make this bigger so you guys can see it. Set to enter. I'll put my stop right there. Take profit right here. Quick trade, a lot of volume, and that's the point, guys. I like to trade when there's a lot of volume. So that's what happened. It popped, dropped, hit my target, done. Took about 5 minutes worth of work. Something like that. So let's see. Enter right here. One candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 3 is 18 minutes, something like that. So, okay, well, 15 minutes worth of work, whatever. So 15, 30 minutes, whatever it is. Either way it goes. I took the trade, walked away, came back, and boom, it hit target. That's all that matters. Time don't matter. So here's some other features, because you guys normally when I'm recording you don't see these things on my screen, so I just want to kind of show you this, some extra features that we do have built in there that you can use. So let me click on here, and the first one is, and by the way also the trade was very easy because you can clearly see it said take sell trades only, very bearish. So when it crossed the line, broke through, it was very easy trade. That was just dummy proof simple. So here's some extra features, guys. If you want to use these, you got your super trends and show the trend. So that's what this is right here. Let me move it over here. So that's the super trend. So you can see it went from bullish, turned over, flipped over to bearish. And so that was another confirmation. The other thing that you can also add, which we have built in here, which you don't see on my charts, because I try to show you guys clean charts most of the time. But the other thing you'll see on here is the moving average option. Okay, so you got EMAs, the 100 and 200, or you can switch this out to whatever you want. But you can see clearly that price action was clearly below the 100 and the 200. So therefore, and we can do it like this. Let's change this blue one to green, and change this one to red, rojo, for my Hispanic family. All right, give it that a minute and click OK, and there we are. And then you know, so there we are. You can see now that it was the red is over the green. Green is bullish, red is bearish, and so you can see that the 100 and 200 is, and let's make sure, well, the red is the 200. So that's the EMA 2, EMA 1 is the 100. So the 100 cross below is sitting below the 200 EMA. And so that's another confirmation. See what I'm saying? To go bearish, okay, bearish. Somebody had asked, hey, what about if you get in earlier than that? Yeah, you can do that. That's totally up to you. But me, I like to keep my trade simple, a no-brainer. When I get the alert, I see the setup. We have the cloud, super trend cloud saying down. We have our EMAs, price action is below the EMAs. We have our entry right here, take profit right there, stop loss right there. Keep it just very, very simple. In and out. I don't get into counting the candles and all that kind of stuff. I just want to trade simple. You know what I mean? Just trade, just simple. Keep it simple. Here was another trade from last night. Pretty much the same thing, but price action was between the EMAs, but it was below the cloud. You can see it flipped from bullish to bearish. Then you had your entry right here. Moments later, take profit got smashed. So I'm just keeping everything simple, guys. I don't, you know, and the main thing is this dashboard. Pay attention to it because it's telling you where the money's flowing. Again, you can do pullback trades and stuff like that, but if you do, don't try to go for the full take profit, in my opinion. But if you want to set the alerts and you fully see that this is bearish, then only take the bearish trades. You know, keep it simple. So this was 6A. Nice couple of $100 per account. Got in, got out, was done. All right. So see you in the next video.